In the ever-evolving world of social media, TikTok has emerged as a powerhouse platform, not just for entertainment, but also for generating substantial income. Today, we're diving into the hidden millionaire hacks that TikTok stars use to turn their creativity into cash. You might be surprised to learn that many of these strategies are unconventional and often overlooked by aspiring influencers. From leveraging viral trends to creating unique brand partnerships, TikTok stars have mastered the art of monetization in ways that go beyond traditional sponsorships. For instance, some creators utilize affiliate marketing, where they earn commissions by promoting products directly in their videos. Others tap into the power of live streaming, engaging their audience in real time while receiving gifts that translate into real money. Understanding these hacks is crucial for anyone looking to carve out a niche in the influencer space. With millions of users vying for attention, knowing how to monetize your content effectively can set you apart from the competition. Whether you're a budding creator or an established influencer, these strategies can provide you with the tools needed to boost your income and grow your brand. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of TikTok's most successful stars, stick around. We'll explore these hidden hacks in detail, giving you the insights you need to elevate your content and maximize your earning potential. Let's get started on this exciting journey to financial success on TikTok. TikTok has taken the social media world by storm, and its unique features play a significant role in driving its viral success. At the heart of this phenomenon is TikTok's powerful algorithm, which is designed to promote content that resonates with users. Unlike other platforms, TikTok's algorithm prioritizes engagement over follower count, meaning that even a new creator can have their video go viral if it captures the audience's attention. This opens the door for fresh talent and diverse content, making it an exciting space for creators. Trends and challenges are another key aspect of TikTok's viral nature. The platform is known for its trending sounds, dances, and challenges that encourage users to participate and create their own versions. When a trend takes off, it can lead to rapid follower growth for those who jump on the bandwagon early. By participating in these trends, creators can increase their visibility and connect with a broader audience, making it easier to gain traction. However, while trends are essential, creativity and authenticity remain paramount. Users are drawn to content that feels genuine and relatable. TikTok thrives on unique storytelling, humor, and personal experiences that resonate with viewers. Creators who infuse their personality into their videos often find greater success, as audiences appreciate authenticity over polished perfection. In summary, TikTok's viral nature is fueled by its algorithm, the power of trends, and the importance of creativity. Understanding these elements can help aspiring influencers navigate the platform and maximize their potential for success. As TikTok continues to grow, many creators are discovering diverse revenue streams that allow them to monetize their content effectively. One of the most common methods is through brand partnerships, where influencers collaborate with companies to promote products or services. These partnerships can take various forms, including sponsored content, where creators integrate a brand's message into their videos, making it feel organic and engaging for their audience. This approach not only provides financial compensation, but also enhances the creator's credibility when done authentically. Another lucrative avenue is affiliate marketing, where influencers earn a commission for every sale generated through their unique referral links. This method allows creators to promote products they genuinely love, making it a win-win for both the influencer and the brand. By sharing these links in their bios or video descriptions, TikTok stars can turn their recommendations into a steady income stream. Merchandise sales also play a significant role in monetization. Many TikTok stars create their own branded products, from clothing to accessories, allowing fans to support them directly. Additionally, crowdfunding platforms like Patreon enable creators to receive financial support from their followers in exchange for exclusive content or perks. This not only fosters a deeper connection with their audience, but also provides a reliable income source. Diversifying income sources is crucial for long-term success in the ever-changing landscape of social media. Relying on a single revenue stream can be risky, especially as trends shift. By exploring various monetization methods, TikTok stars can build a sustainable career while continuing to engage and entertain their audience. TikTok offers a variety of features that creators can leverage for monetization, making it an exciting platform for aspiring influencers. One of the standout features is live streaming, which allows creators to connect with their audience in real time. During live sessions, viewers can send virtual gifts that can be converted into real money. This interactive format not only fosters a sense of community, but also provides an immediate revenue stream for creators who engage their audience effectively. Another significant opportunity for monetization is TikTok's Creator Fund. This program rewards eligible creators for their content based on views and engagement. To qualify, creators must meet specific criteria, including having at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Once accepted, creators can earn money based on the performance of their videos, providing a steady income source as they continue to grow their audience. Engagement is key to maximizing these monetization opportunities. Responding to comments and interacting with followers helps build a loyal community, which can lead to increased views and higher earnings. Additionally, TikTok's duet feature allows creators to collaborate with others, expanding their reach and introducing their content to new audiences. By creating duets with popular or trending videos, influencers can tap into existing fan bases and potentially gain new followers. In summary, TikTok's live streaming, creator fund, and engagement features provide multiple avenues for monetization. By effectively utilizing these tools, creators can enhance their earning potential while fostering a vibrant community around their content. Establishing a strong personal brand on TikTok is essential for creators looking to stand out in a crowded space. A unique persona not only differentiates you from others, but also attracts a dedicated audience. When viewers resonate with your style, humor, or perspective, they are more likely to follow you and engage with your content. This connection is crucial for building a loyal fan base that will support your journey and amplify your reach. Consistency plays a vital role in content creation and messaging. By maintaining a cohesive theme or aesthetic across your videos, you create a recognizable brand identity that viewers can easily identify. This consistency helps to reinforce your message and values, making it easier for followers to connect with you on a deeper level. Whether it's through your choice of topics, video style, or even the tone of your voice, being consistent helps to establish trust and reliability, which are key components of a successful personal brand. Collaborations with other creators can significantly enhance your brand visibility. Partnering with influencers who share similar interests or audiences allows you to tap into their follower base, introducing your content to new viewers. These collaborations can take many forms, from duets to joint challenges, and they often lead to increased engagement and follower growth. By working together, creators can leverage each other's strengths and creativity, resulting in fresh and exciting content that benefits both parties. In summary, building a personal brand on TikTok involves creating a unique persona, maintaining consistency, and collaborating with others. These elements are crucial for attracting and retaining a dedicated audience while enhancing your overall visibility on the platform. When it comes to monetizing content on TikTok, few influencers have achieved success like Charli D'Amelio and Addison Rae. Charli, who rose to fame with her viral dance videos, quickly became one of the platform's most recognizable faces. Her revenue strategies include brand partnerships with major companies like Dunkin' and Morphe, where she has leveraged her massive following to create authentic promotional content. Charli's ability to stay ahead of trends has also played a significant role in her income growth, as each viral moment has opened new doors for collaborations and sponsorships. Similarly, Addison Rae has carved out her niche on TikTok, initially gaining popularity through dance challenges and relatable content. Her monetization strategies extend beyond brand deals. She has launched her own beauty line, Item Beauty, which capitalizes on her influence and connects with her audience on a personal level. Addison's success illustrates how diversifying income streams can lead to sustained growth and financial stability. Both influencers have demonstrated the profound impact of viral trends on their income growth. Each time they participate in a trending challenge or create content that resonates with viewers, they not only boost their visibility, but also attract new followers and potential brand partnerships. Viewers can learn valuable lessons from Charli and Addison's journeys. Consistency, creativity, and the ability to adapt to trends are crucial for success on TikTok. Additionally, building a personal brand that resonates with your audience can lead to lucrative opportunities. By studying their paths, aspiring influencers can gain insights into effective monetization strategies and the importance of engaging authentically with their followers. In this video, we explored the unconventional monetization strategies that TikTok stars use to turn their creativity into profit. From brand partnerships and sponsored content to affiliate marketing and merchandise sales, these diverse revenue streams highlight the importance of thinking outside the box when it comes to generating income on the platform. Understanding these strategies is crucial for aspiring influencers who want to carve out their niche and achieve financial success. We also emphasize the significance of creativity and adaptability in the ever-changing TikTok landscape. The ability to engage with trends, create unique content, and connect authentically with your audience can set you apart from the competition. As we've seen with successful influencers, those who embrace their individuality and remain flexible in their approach are more likely to thrive in this dynamic environment. As we wrap up, we encourage you to take these insights and apply them to your own TikTok journey. Whether you're just starting or looking to enhance your existing strategy, remember that innovation and engagement are key. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable insights into the world of TikTok and influencer marketing. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow creators who might benefit from these tips. Your support helps us continue to provide content that empowers and inspires aspiring influencers. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.